Khadisiacs, it's me Khadijah. So in today's video, we're going to test out whether or not avocados actually help to repair high porosity hair or not. So going back to 2016, I had the chance to try out NATURALLKLUB's all-natural dry hair solution, and I really liked that deep conditioner. But now in 2018, I'm so happy to partner up with NATURALLKLUB and try out their damaged hair solution. There's also going to be a giveaway at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned to see how you can enter and win. So this is what the product looks like. It's an avocado based deep conditioner, so it is green in color and the texture is blended really nicely and it's easy to apply onto the hair. This deep conditioner is the true definition of a do-it-yourself all-natural deep conditioner because it literally only has 12 ingredients. Every single one is natural and you can pronounce everything. So I really like that about this deep conditioner. This doesn't have any hydrolyzed protein, which is typically what I would look for in a hair mask to help repair my high porosity hair. But it does have those avocados, avocado oil, and also coconut oil, which naturally has those reparative properties. So when you first apply this, it feels very smooth, like something is just nicely coating your strands. But I will say, to get the best detangling experience, you want to use this with heat and allow it to sit on your hair for a little bit and penetrate. Because when I first applied this, I was only able to lightly finger detangle. So that's just a little tip if you have hair that's hard to detangle like myself, or longer hair. Just allow this to sit on your hair with heat and the slip will be really good afterwards. As for the smell, the damaged hair solution smells a little bit medicated, but it has a very faint smell, and after you rinse it out, the smell is gone. So I'm just applying the rest of the deep conditioner onto my edges, and I'm going to deep condition with my hair therapy wrap for 15 minutes. So this is my hair immediately after deep conditioning and taking the hair therapy wrap off. My hair feels very soft, it feels smooth, and also I'm able to better thoroughly finger detangle through my hair. As you can see, my fingers are just easily getting through my hair. For this to have ingredients that you can literally find in your kitchen or in your house, I was really surprised by how nice my hair did turn out. And these are my final results after rinsing all of the deep conditioner out. My hair looked and felt very strengthened. It was soft, moisturized, and my curls were super defined. So I think it's safe to say that avocados do a pretty good job at strengthening and helping to repair high porosity hair. So if I had to choose between the dry hair solution or the damaged hair solution, if you're looking for a lot of moisture, go with the dry hair solution because that one contains glycerin. And if you're looking for more strength, if you have fine hair, high porosity hair like myself, then go with the damaged hair solution because you're going to get a lot of strengthening and also moisture from that one. So if you guys are interested in a all-natural do-yourself type deep conditioner, then I'll leave a coupon code down below. And now let's move on to the giveaway.